Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the lovely western wear collections. All are premium and very different from each other pieces which I'll be going to show. Booking number is 9711152266. Please follow and like my page on Facebook and also join my WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description box. In case you're not able to find the link, please do WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. So I today the collection will be on a lovely western wear dresses which I'll be showing it to you. Price is of 7.99 free shipping. Okay, price is of 7.99 free shipping. These are all gorgeous pieces which I'll show it to you. So let's start off with the lovely collections. So this one is a very beautiful dress. Okay, it's in pure cotton. This is in pure cotton piece, and this one the size which will fit 32, 34, 36. The size which will fit 32, 34, 36. Let me show you the back of this. So back will be like this. So front is like this. 32, 34 and 36 can go. A very beautiful dress in pure cotton. In pure cotton you can see this beautiful dress. You can just take the screenshot on the same. So 38 also can go for this dress because you have got a side zip, but 38 will be fitting like me. Okay, fitting it will be like this. So that is the reason I'm mentioning 32, 34 and 36. Okay. So here comes a pure cotton dress. Okay, ये देखिए टाई डाई प्रिंट में है, कॉटन ड्रेस है और 8.99 फ्री शिपिंग में. 40, 42, 38 also can go. See, so my size 38 also can go. Cotton dress with cotton lining, 8.99. Cotton dress with cotton lining. मैं फ्रंट का दिखा देती हूँ. You'll be getting this work and completely ये pure cotton piece है with lining, and you got 2 pockets as well. A lovely long dress you can see. It's a very beautiful piece in 8.99. So this one is a beautiful dress you can see, and this one is of size 34 to 36. ठीक है, 34 to 36 को आएगा ये ड्रेस with a lovely chiffon with lining. Chiffon with lining, a very beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. ऐसे आपके वो रहेंगे 34 to 36. ठीक है, ये मेरे लिए टाइट आ रहा है. 34 to 36 will be the perfect size for this piece, just for 6.99. Just for 6.99. और very stylish beach wear dress. ठीक है, ये beach wear dress आएगा आपका, and it comes with the pocket also. It comes with the pocket completely like a backless. You can see like this it will be. And this one, the size which will fit, ये देखिए it is on the tying thing. ये आपका area completely tieable है. So this one, the size which will fit small, medium, large, XL, double XL, 3XL. So accordingly you can tie it. Okay, small, medium, large, XL, double XL, 3XL, just for 7.99 free shipping. Very beautiful dress for your beach. अगर आप vacations पे जा रहे हैं, go for it. Small, medium, large, XL, double XL for this one. So that beachwear dress fabric was rayon. So this one, it comes in crepe, a beautiful dress. 7.99 free shipping. 7.99 free shipping में you can go for this beautiful dress. ये आपका crepe पे रहेगा. And this one, the size which will fit, 36, 38, 40. The size which will fit 36, 38, 40 in crepe. It will be a lovely color. 36, 38, 40 for this in 7.99 free shipping. So this one is a pure cotton dress, and this one actually is of size 50, 52. ठीक है, size 50, 52 को जाएगा. A lovely pure cotton dress. ठीक है, obviously ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा है, but I am wearing and showing it to you. 50, 52, 54 they can go for this. ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा piece है, just for 7.99 free shipping. Grab this piece, pure cotton piece है, and it's in dress style. 7.99 free shipping में you can grab this long dress in 50, 52. Here comes a very stylish piece in 8.99. ठीक है, बहुत ही स्मार्ट सा पीस है in 8.99. It's in crepe, and this is the pattern. Just kind of a धोती style, क्या बोलते हैं इसको. I really love this style. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही फैशनेबल एंड वेरी इन स्टाइल है दिस वन, एंड दिस इज ऑफ 899 फ्री शिपिंग, परफेक्टली फिटिंग माय साइज ऑल्सो। ये आपका 36 टू 38 आएगा, ठीक है, 36 टू 38 आएगा। सो दिस इज द प्रिंट, दिस इज द प्रिंट, ब्यूटिफुल पीस लाइक दिस आप कैसे रहेंगे, 36 टू 38 फॉर दिस, अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस इन 899 free shipping. Here comes again in the same pattern like this with the collar, and ये आपका भी आपका same size है 36 to 38, 36 to 38, and इसका color combination is this in blue. Okay, बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है, जस्ट लाइक धोती स्टाइल में रहता है, कम्स विद द प्लेट्स लाइक दिस इन 899 फ्री शिपिंग, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीस इन ग्रेप 36 टू 38। ये आपका कॉलर स्टाइल में आएगा ऐसे, ठीक है, यू कैन सी द कॉलर, दिस विल कम इन कॉलर स्टाइल। So look at this beautiful piece, look at this color, gorgeous color combination, and this one the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, a beautiful piece with the lovely color, ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा पीस है, 38, 40, 42 can go for this beautiful piece. It comes with the string, it comes with the string like this, 38, 40, 42 can go for this in 799 free shipping. It's in chiffon with lining, 799 free shipping. So here comes a beautiful piece in 40, 42, 44. ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा पीस है, समरिक प्रिंट, एंड लुक एट दिस बॉबी प्रिंट, ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा पीस है। इट कम्स विद द लाइनिंग, 799 फ्री शिपिंग पे रहेगा ये। In 40, 42 and 44 can go for this. So these were the collections on the lovely dresses. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. अपने friend circle को भी मेरा वीडियो शेयर कर दीजिए। I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.